Hello everyone. So welcome to this Laravel 11 beginner series, and in this video we will check about how to install Laravel in your local server or local PC. So here we have a Laravel official website open right now. In previous video we learned about what is the Laravel and how the Laravel works, what is the architecture of the Laravel. In this video we will check that how you can install Laravel. So here we have multiple option to install Laravel in your system. Like you can install Laravel using a local Laravel install command that you can install by a particular command to set up in your Windows or Mac OS or even in Linux. It support all three systems, and then you can install it with a global composer with a Laravel installer. There is another example of installing Laravel is about Sail. Let me show you. Uh, yeah, so installing Laravel using Sail is like it will give you a full Docker installation setup that have a Laravel application contained, and it will be Dockerized Laravel application. So you don't have to create a Docker image and other things for Laravel. You can also, if you don't have install any WAMP server or anything else, you can uh, install Laravel using Laravel Herd. Laravel Herd is the first party Laravel application development environment that comes with a PHP Composer, Laravel, and Node, NPM, and NVM. You can also check the Laravel Herd website here. Yeah, so it is a quite small and useful environment if you are trying to run only Laravel things and not other PHP or other applications. But we will go with a composer setup today. So if you don't have a composer installed, you can install it with a composer official website. You can check on getcomposer.org, and there is a download option that helps you to download and install Composer. If you have a Mac OS and Linux OS, you can run through this command lines install. If you have Windows, you can download exe file from this link and directly install it on your PC, and it will give you the Composer. To confirm if Composer is installed or not, just go to your terminal and write composer, and if it gives the output of all command, it means the composer is installed. So let's start with Laravel. Let me just start WAMP server. I generally use WAMP server because it's give a multi PHP versions feasibility, as well as easy to use virtual host management, as well as PHP admin and other database related setup. So it is quite useful for a web development stack if you are trying to start on these things. Okay, so our WAMP server is now online. Let's just check. Yeah, it's online. Okay, now we will check on this thing. Like, we'll go to the WAMP directory and then www. There will be other projects on these things, but we will create new directory, Laravel 11. Okay, now we will run the composer command. Composer create project Laravel Laravel. If you want to give any name for your application, you can write here like test tab or something, but we are not giving any name. We will install it in the root directory because we already create a Laravel 11 directory here. Yeah, it is creating the Laravel projects now. It will download all the required repository and required packages for Laravel. Okay, so all packages are installed. Now it will generate a vendor and autoload file. Migration is also on. Okay, so by default it set the database.sqlite file as a database connection, and it also have run the migration tables. If you want, you can change the database connection. Otherwise, it by default it will check SQLite 3 as a database. And let's check by starting the server by running php artisan serve command. Okay, our server is running now, so let's check localhost 8k, and our Laravel is installed. Yeah, so that's it. It is a very pretty and easy way to install Laravel in your local system. In next video we will check about how you can change these views and how you can map the routes to set your custom URLs, like a white home it gives 404 now. How can I create routes and view for that routes. We will check on the next video. Thank you.